As a rule, I would normally not do this because I am sick, but I'm also bored. So, Beast Hunter's Ratchet. We never saw this form of Ratchet in the show. He was in Beast Hunters. Not for like a Predaking trying to kill him at one point. Spoilers. Just making sure he's all lined up quickly. It doesn't always line up quickly in Beast mode. Or in vehicle mode, sorry. Spoilers for anybody who's not seen Beast Hunters yet. He has a spinning drill gimmick, and just like in case of Go Jujin, aka the now called Kyriax Megazord, is called by Bandai and Mega Bloks, his drill so splits apart and reveals a gun inside. Neither fires anything. Go Jujin in the Japanese version doesn't know this figure. So let's take a look at Ratchet in robot mode. I'm taking this from the sides. I'll free up his legs and his tunnels for his arms. I'll free up his arms a bit. So that's actually the panels for his arms. When I say his legs. His legs up front. Basically, he's backwards here in big mode. This is his legs. This is his arms. Okay. And then you fold his arms forward. Oops. The legs can peg, but that's okay. We're gonna peg those in a minute. Anyway. I'll just do the first effect. I'll peg the legs from each other. And spin the foot down on both sides. And that won't keep them in place just yet. Hold down the ankles and toe. This one has a nice place, which is very nice. Very sweet. And then bring down the windshield / cab of the ambulance boat. I can get this. This has to be one of the hardest parts of the transformation. It's very tight. Now, some reviewers have said that this figure would make a good Dinobot mold. You'll see why in a little bit. That is not why, however. This is my figure being stupid. Is one arm likes to pop off. There's one arm. Shield. Hold his hands around. And this is supposed to just peg into place. Which it does. There we go. And then take the arm. Unlike other Ratchet molds, there has an arm and a rescue Ratchet mold for this. Or just regular flying. Ratchet, however, was one of the arms my cons. I do not have one of his arms my cons either. And none of the arms my cons. And I really should be fine, but I don't have the money. Now to complete the combination into robot mode. Yes. Yeah, he's got automorph. I don't know if the original automorph, but it looks nice. And that head, that is why people say this would make a good Dinobot. Or at least Dinobot 2. Oh, fun fact about Dinobot 2, there's actually a missing scene in Beast Wars, an episode that was not aired, but was planned, that showed the original Dinobot's memories being downloaded into the Dinobot 2 clone, but for whatever reason they didn't make it. And Pokey's around. He's not here today. I've been feeling sick and yeah. He's not this bad. I'm joking. He's just not very bad. Um, yeah. Anyway, basically, when Rampage went offline permanently, the Spark returned to the original Dinobot programming, and that explains in that or in the final episodes of Beast Wars why there's a flash of the original Children's Dinobots, in which you can hold his sword. There's weapon in either mode, and spinning gimmick does kind of work. And if you're just hunter wrong, get stuck. So if you can find Beast Hunter's Ratchet, I say pick him up. If not, and you can find the original, go ahead. It's pretty much the same mold, just a little bit added. So I will see you next time. Bye.